How to withdraw money from Fiverr. So go ahead to your gig account, go to my business, and then go to your earnings. We have a different account, but it's only just so we can show you how to do so. You can add a payment method or a payout method. I mean, you press on this button, and since you want a bank transfer, you toggle this. You should be able to add these other options later on, but for now, we can choose the bank transfer, choose your currency from the three options, or it could be different. Who knows? You could choose whatever you'd like, and then press on continue. Once you've added your payout method, make sure you do have enough balance before you can do this, or you have your account verified and your account has been going on for maybe more than a few days or a few weeks. So those are a few things you can put in mind if you want to withdraw from your Fiverr. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.